Woof, woof! It's a doggone hilarious day today. Check out these dogs being absolute goofballs. From a pup trying to catch his own tail to another doing the moonwalk on the kitchen floor. And who could forget the sneaky dog that stole a slice of pizza right off the table? Here's a dog that loves to sing along with the piano, and another one who thinks he's a cat climbing all over the furniture. Can you believe it? Dogs are the best comedians without even trying. Want more giggles and a chance to win cool prizes? If we reach 500 subscribers, we will give away 10 $50 Roblox gift cards to 10 randomly selected people. So subscribe so that you have the chance to win. Thanks for watching and keep those tails wagging.